Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to share restaurant-style Tawa chicken recipe. So simple and easy. Oil 1/3 cup. Ginger 2 tablespoons. Garlic 2 tablespoons. Fry a few seconds. Boneless chicken, I use chicken thigh, 600 grams. Fry 2 minutes on medium-high heat. Turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. Chili powder 2 tablespoons. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala powder 1/2 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Stir and mix. Sliced tomato 1 large. Mix. Cover and cook. Stir after some times. Cover again. Dried fenugreek leaf 1 teaspoon. Mace and nutmeg powder 1/2 teaspoon. Sliced ginger. Stir and mix. Fresh coriander leaf. Chopped green chili. Clarified butter, ghee, 1 tablespoon. Cover until serve. Thanks for watching.